So sometimes I'll make a purchase and it might be quite late at night and maybe not the most thought out. So this arrived. This is a Moog Eurorack case, completely empty. I don't know much about Eurorack, but it's definitely something I'm interested in and I want to integrate it with my electric piano setup. So I really want some help. I want to know what you would put into a Eurorack synth that would complement the electric piano sound. I've got my own ideas, such as something drum on bass wise, but I'd be curious to know if any of you have got any experience with it and what you'd advise. I'm really new to this. I have not much idea about signals. I've played with like semi-modular stuff, but I've never made the full jump. Is Eurorack worth the investment? Let us know in the comments. I'm looking forward to hearing what you think.